wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z,
From east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Woo!
Kids, did you ever wonder what that song is that you always hear before each of our episodes starts?
Yeah, the one that goes, wake up,
And Dream Again.
get
It's
up,
a song?
get up. Yeah, that one.
It's a song that we actually wrote just for you.
Yeah, we thought it was so fun, and we were so excited to have you guys come and visit us all the time that we thought it'd be nice to sing, to say hello.
Yeah, and we thought that we would do a sing-along version of this so you can, we can teach you and you can learn to sing it.
Yeah, we thought that would be really fun. Do you guys want to sing it with us?
Yeah, and because Olivia loves to sing and I love to make music, we figured from now on out, we're going to do a lot of other sing-along songs too.
Yeah, we're going to do so many fun sing-along songs for you guys. We're going to have ones about cows and ones about
Mice.
stars.
Mice.
And spiders.
Don't scare me that way.
Sorry.
But then we're also going to have songs about miracles and even about us, Noah and Olivia.
Yeah, and all sorts of things, really. We're going to have so many songs. Some songs will help teach you to count, and some songs are just for fun. And
exactly.
Yeah, sometimes you can sing them over and over again.
Yep.
All sorts.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to write some songs, and we're going to recreate songs, and we're going to
sing some classics that you guys know.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's so much.
Yep. So we figured the first one we really wanted to teach you is the one that we wrote.
Yeah, we wanted to sing you guys our song first because we just thought you guys might know it a little bit already, and if not, it'd be fun to learn it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's called our Dream Again song.
Yep. Lovely. Dream again.
Dream again.
Perfect.
Because we love to dream again and again and again.
Yep. Over and over and over and over and over and over.
Over and over and over.
So in case you don't know, it starts out wake up and dream again.
Yep. Okay, so should we try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Da-da-da-da-da. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2,
3.
3. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. That's my favorite line.
We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, we are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, but it's true, right? We are dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, that's why it's my favorite line. It's because it's totally true.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite line too?
Ooh, yeah. If not, what is your favorite line? I would love to know.
Yeah, we both want to know.
Yeah. I'd also love to know if you guys have any songs you've written, Like, maybe even if you sing different words to our song, that would be fun.
Oh, that would be fun. Because we're going to go through a lot of classical songs too, and we'll probably change some of the lyrics just to, practice and test them out.
Yeah. Well, or if you want to do fun things like say if it was bedtime right now, instead of wake up, then I would sing sleep. Wait.
That doesn't work.
I know. I got it.
Lay down
and dream again.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Should we try it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Lay down and dream again. Lay down, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Lay down and dream again. Lay down and dream again. Oops, sorry, I messed it up. It's okay. Sometimes we make mistakes, especially in sing-alongs.
Well, it's not we, you.
Well, that's not very nice, is it, kids?
It happens, though.
Okay, it does happen. Go ahead, Noah. You sing it. I'm gonna wait for you to do it better.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
La la la.
La la la.
Lay down and dream again. Lay down, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Lay down and dream again. Lay down, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Okay, well, just because you did it right doesn't mean you'll do it right every single time. Kids, does your brother do stuff like this too? Sometimes I wish I could take him back to the brother factory. Oh, brother.
Oh, brother.
Oh, brother.
Oh, sister.
Oh, brother.
Oh, sister.
I'll take you back to the factory.
I'll take you back to the factory.
Oh, brother.
Oh, sister.
Can't you do something other than me?
Can't you do something other than me?
My brother.
My sister.
He's copying all of my words.
Is copying all of my words.
My brother.
My sister.
He doesn't have his own imagination.
He doesn't have his own imagination.
I don't think he realizes what he's saying, guys.
She doesn't have her imagination.
I think we both know I have plenty of imagination. I have imagination to spare. Would you like some? There you go. Do you want to sing it again?
Yay!
Okay, let's sing it again.
Okay,
All
I
right,
was
kids.
waiting for you, but don't mess up, please.
No promises. Please don't be mean to me if I do mess up.
Okay, ready? I'm ready.
Wait, I'm not going to start until you promise. Wait.
What am I
Do
promising?
you promise not to be mean to me if I make a mistake?
I'm always mean to you, so what's the point?
Wow. Noah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. I feel like if you're always mean to me, you should learn to not be.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Thank you.
How about that?
That sounds good.
Okay? But then, Olivia, just try your best with this song too,
Yeah,
okay?
I already said that I was going to try my best.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds good.
All right, ready?
Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, wait. Question.
Yeah.
Are we doing wake up or lay down?
Oh, let's do Wake Up,
Okay,
because
okay.
that's our song.
Yep. Okay.
It sounds better.
It sounds much better. Okay.
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Woo! Yeah, good job!
Great job! Yeah, we were awesome.
You did that amazing!
Thank you, so did you. We both did. Oh, and
See,
so
I
did the
knew you're
kids.
such a good singer!
Thank you. You're such a good piano player. Woo!
You're such a good singer. I knew it!
I think sing along is gonna be Noah's favorite, guys.
Oh, I think it might.
Yeah, I think so.
I
for
love
sure.
making music.
Yeah, you do. I actually wonder if you're gonna be a musician.
Oh, I'm sorry. You
No,
were
it's
saying?
okay. I just wonder if you're gonna be a musician or an astronaut.
Oh.
Yeah, because you seem to really love both.
Yeah, but maybe being a musician can be a hobby.
Sure.
Do you know what a hobby is?
Like hopscotch?
No, a hobby is doing something on your free time for fun,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Like we're doing right now.
Oh,
we're
okay,
doing
okay.
this for fun.
Yeah, but also,
astronaut-
what if you decide you want to be a musician and you want to stand on stage in front of millions of people and you want to sing like this? Whoa! Like that then that's your job.
Well, if I would sing like that, they might fire me.
Yeah, that might not work. Yeah, that's true.
But the thing is, honestly, a musician is hard. I would love to do it, but right now I just like doing it for fun. And if the
Oh.
kids are entertained by what we're singing here,
Yay.
I would be happy enough.
Oh, well, that sounds lovely. Okay, so
And
astronaut with
and-
music as a hobby.
Yeah, and maybe, who knows, maybe if I'm honored to sing on stage, that would be nice. But I just want to do this for fun.
I'll be an artist that's an astronaut as a hobby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'll be an astronaut with a musician as a hobby.
Yeah, but I'm going to be an artist that's an astronaut as a hobby.
But that doesn't work. You can't just go to space on your free time.
Why not? Like, there was a teacher who went to space and she was a teacher, but she went to space. So I'll just do like that.
Yeah, but that doesn't work.
But she did it.
No.
She did. Yep.
How?
She I don't remember exactly, but she won a contest and it was to go into space. And so she got to go up into space with a bunch of astronauts and she was a teacher that went to space. Yeah. I should look her up.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe that's what we should do. Kids, you stay on for a sing-along song, Dream Again, so you can learn it, and by the next time you can sing it with us.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun. So you guys sing with us, and thank you guys so much for coming. We hope you enjoy this song.
Yeah, and thanks for watching Dream Again, and we hope that you enjoy our Dream Again episodes with all of our Dream Again world and all of the Dream Again things that we do.
Yay, Dream Again! Yay! All right, guys, have fun singing along.
Yeah, have fun, and take care, and see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.